Hey everyone, if your Microsoft Word document contains personal, business, or confidential information, protecting it is a smart idea. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to secure a Word document using passwords, editing restrictions, and other built-in protection features. So let's get started. Start by opening the Word document you want to protect. Before applying any security settings, save your latest changes so you're working with the most up-to-date version of your file. Click File, then Info. Select Protect Document and choose Encrypt with Password. Enter a strong password, confirm it, and save the document. The next time someone opens the file, they'll need that password to access it. If you want others to view the document but limit what they can change, choose Protect Document again and select Restrict Editing. Yeah, you can allow only comments, track changes, form filling, or read-only access depending on your needs. You can also choose Mark as Final to indicate that the document is complete and discourage further editing. Before sharing your file, it's also a good idea to use Inspect Document to remove hidden information like comments, document properties, or personal data. After applying your preferred protection settings, save the document and close it. Then reopen the file to confirm that the password or editing restrictions work exactly as expected before sharing it with others. And that's how to protect a Microsoft Word document. These built-in tools make it easy to secure sensitive information and prevent unwanted changes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.